Everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Hopefully I am looking at you in the camera properly, because I don't know how many times I have filmed something, gone back and said to myself, why are you not looking at the camera lens? But for some reason on this phone, I never seem to know where to look. But I think it is that green little dot now that is lit up. You think by now I would know where to look in my iPhone to film, but that is just old age. What can I say? But anyway, I am going to do this is going to be a mumbo jumbo mixture of a lot of different things in this video. I'm going to do a life update. I'm going to go over 2 products I picked up that were recommendations from a Jaclyn Hill Amazon haul that she did, and I'll give you my thoughts on those. And I am, in the beginning of this video, going to unveil 2 more of my scents, my perfume scents from the company Dossier. I've talked to you about them before. These are the last 2 scents that I chose from the company to test out. And what Dossier is, it makes inspired perfumes from premium luxury or celebrity brands that are expensive, too expensive for a lot of us to want to pay for a scent. And they make these inspired perfumes or dupes at a very reasonable price. I really like this company. They are very transparent with their ingredients, how they make the products, where they source their ingredients. Most of their ingredients, I believe, are sourced from France, and I also believe they have their perfumers located over in France. The company in the United States is located in New York. I like them because they are a clean beauty brand. They are ethically sourced, and they are nice, long-lasting scents that are very, very, very similar to the inspired perfume they are going off of, whether it be Chanel, Tom Ford, any of the more higher end brands. They have so many different perfumes that literally mimic those scents. What I like about this company is they are cruelty free. They use 100% non-toxic ingredients, very clean. Everything, as much as they can, is recyclable, and any perfume that is returned, for example, if you get a perfume, I believe you have 30 days to test it out. If for some reason you don't like the scent, or you would prefer to get maybe a different scent, you can return it and then they will donate that scent to charity. Lots of recycling going on with both the packaging and any products that are returned to them. And I really, really love these scents. I have tested out the luxury brand against the inspired perfume that they created, and I literally cannot tell the difference in the scents. They are literally identical. So I am going to be unveiling the 2 final scents that, if you didn't see my previous 2 videos, this is the way the perfume is packaged. And then when you open up the packaging, you'll find a card inside, and inside it lists the notes and what perfume it's inspired by, and just concentration and just information like that. And then inside the box is the scent. I like the way these are packaged. They're very minimalistic looking, very clean, and it has a little magnetic top so it stays on. This is one of the scents I am unveiling for the final month of November. This is called Floral Marshmallow. This is regularly $39 if you purchase this without having a subscription. If you're part of their subscription membership, which I think is $29 a month, I think that reduces all the scents by 10%. So you literally get a 10% discount off of any perfume you purchase. The $29 for the membership goes like into your savings bank, basically, to purchase perfumes with, and it always accumulates. You never lose that amount of money. If you really enjoy purchasing lots of different scents, you probably would be better off getting the membership. But like I said, these can be purchased individually, and they are also sold now at Walmart. The first scent, Floral Marshmallow. This is inspired by Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. I've never actually tested out that scent, but this is a nice, very sweet scent. I believe Killian's Love Don't Be Shy is actually $240. Oh my gosh, I would never pay that much money for a scent. The top notes on this are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. The middle notes, which are the heart of the perfume, that is orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. And then the base notes, which are the notes that tend to linger most during the day, that is amber, vanilla, and musk. This is regularly $39 without a membership. With the membership, it brings the price down to $35.10. So that was my first scent. And then the final scent, this is citrus ginger. And I believe this is a masculine scent. This is the scent I'm actually going to give this to my son. This is inspired by Chanel's Bleu de Chanel. That particular perfume is $80. If you purchase this without having a membership, it's regularly $29. And with the membership, you get a 10% discount, which brings it down to $26.10. The notes on this, the top notes are peppermint, lemon, and ginger. The middle notes are vetiver, which I think is kind of more of an earthy, woody scent, and pink pepper and nutmeg. The base notes are sandalwood, cedar wood, and incense. Going to give this one to my son because he really likes it. And those are my two final scents from the company Dossier. I will leave a link for this company down in my description box if you are looking for more of a try it before you buy it company when it comes to perfumes. Obviously, you do have to buy the perfumes, but they do give you 30 days to decide if you want to keep them. If not, you can just return them to the company. I love this company because their perfumes are so unbelievably close to the inspired perfume they are trying to mimic. They are long lasting and they don't hurt my pocketbook. So really, really love Dossier, and I will put a link for their company down in my description box. Okay, my arm is getting tired. Let's do a quick life update before I go into the Jaclyn Hill skincare items that I purchased from her most recent, well, at least I think the most recent one I saw was the October 10th, I think it was, her Amazon haul. But life update, it is the day after Halloween. If everything goes as planned, my son will be getting his second infusion of his medication next Thursday, next week. And then that following weekend, we will be leaving to go to Arizona. And I am so excited. You have no idea. Dying to get there so much. He got through his first infusion okay. He's doing okay. It did not kill him. It's a very, very scary drug. If you are curious, I know somebody did ask me what medication he is on. He is on the drug called rituximab. And it sounds like a very strong, scary drug. And it is a very strong, scary drug. What rituximab does is it goes into your body and turns off the immune system that is not working properly and that is out of whack and causing your autoimmune issues. I believe it was originally developed for a particular kind of cancers, and then they found out that it actually works for some other things like MS, for rheumatoid arthritis that is difficult to treat. And my son, if you have followed his story, he developed an autoimmune neuropathy from getting an anti-TNF drug called Humira, which he probably really should have never gotten, but that's here nor there. He was given Humira for some psoriasis he had on his scalp. After 2 infusions, he developed an autoimmune neuropathy, very intense neuropathy, literally almost everywhere. And if you have never had neuropathy before, you will never understand, because I have neuropathy also, and it is the most painful, horrible disease on the planet. So he had that, and then over time, unfortunately, he also got my bad side of the genes and my husband's bad side of the genes. Both our parents had some rheumatoid. He also started to develop some autoimmune arthritis. He went through so many medications that he either could not tolerate or the side effects were just so intolerable he could not take them. Went through the drug azathioprine. He went through the drug methotrexate, both injectable and oral. He went through the drug lefonamide. He went through the drug Plaquenil. He was given multiple rounds of IVIG immunoglobulin. What else was he on? Tacrolimus, which was a horrible drug. Prednisone, of course, which didn't work for him really well. And is there anything I'm missing? I think that's pretty much all the drugs he's been on and has failed. So his rheumatoid rheumatologist decided, let's try rituximab, which is called B-cell therapy. Apparently, what they think is rheumatoid and, autoimmune issues like that possibly could be caused by overactive B cells, which I believe are on your blood cells, I think. I'm not quite sure exactly how this thing works. So what rituximab does is it goes in there and targets those B cells and literally wipes them out, I believe. And then your body has to start reproducing them again. It literally turns off B cell production. The way this drug is normally given is you get one infusion, then you wait 2 weeks, get the second infusion, and this infusion is long. It's almost an 8-hour infusion, really long infusion. Then you wait close to 3 to 4 or 5 months, and then you will know whether or not the drug is going to help you at that time. It takes a very long time for the drug to work. I have my fingers crossed. He has his fingers and toes crossed that this is the miracle drug that they are saying it could possibly be for him. And I really hope this is, because if this works for him, he will be able to get his life back on track. And now I'm going to talk about the 2 items I picked up on the recommendation from Jaclyn Hill's Amazon haul. I'm going to cut to video in my bedroom of me using these 2 items. Jaclyn Hill said this skincare was just absolutely amazing. Like the most amazing skincare she's ever tried. Made her face feel unbelievably soft and smooth. This is called Advanced Snail. It is made with, I believe, like snail mucus or something like that. Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I like to rub this all over my face. This really is a very nice essence. One of the nicer essences that I have. I really do like this. The company's name is cosrx. I don't know how you pronounce that. I don't know if it's cosrx or what. This was only $14.50, so it is very inexpensive. I think it had almost 55,000. Am I right about that? 55,000 close to 5-star reviews, so a lot of people seem to like it. It's snail mucin, and it's supposed to help keep moisture in your skin, replenish your skin to make it smoother, softer, and more hydrated. It is a little sticky, and it does take a little time to dry down. I like it, but is it like the most amazing skincare item I have on my table, and would I repurchase it? That's the question. I'm going to have to use the whole bottle, but as of now, probably not. I don't know if Jaclyn Hill uses Retin-A, but Retin-A is really my go-to staple. And the Ole Hendrickson mask that I showed you, that 25%, what is it called, Dutopia, is the most amazing skincare product I have right now for making my skin feel super, super hydrated and smooth. While I don't feel this was a bad purchase, I don't feel like it's the most amazing thing in the whole world, nor do I feel like it was as amazing as she said it was going to be. I don't know. I didn't see that much of an amazing transformation in my skin. I don't know. Anyway, that's what that was. It's cosrx Snail Mucin Repairing Essence, and it is only $14.50. The other item I got was also from this company. It's called Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream by cosrx. This is very, very gooey. Even though these are formulated with, it says 92% snail secretion, snails were not hurt in this process. So it is a cruelty-free brand, hypoallergenic, not tested on animals, and very inexpensive. Super hydrating moisturizer. Again, this is really ooey gooey stuff. You may not like the feel of it on your face. I think this also was like $14 and change, maybe $14.70. It is supposed to be extremely hydrating for your skin. It's supposed to repair the skin, strengthen the skin barrier, replenish the skin, and hydrate it. It does contain hyaluronic acid. I mean, I like it also. The same kind of with the essence. I like it, but would I buy it again? I don't think so, really. As of now, probably I would not. It just isn't the most amazing skincare I have on my vanity. When I heard her talk about this, she acted like this was the best skincare she's ever had in her entire life. And maybe it is for her, but for me, it couldn't compete with some of the skincare I'm already currently using. So that was kind of my take on 2 products that Jaclyn Hill talked about on her Amazon haul. I'll leave a link for Dossier and also for this cosrx off of Amazon down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.